Hello and welcome back. Now I'm gonna teach you how to draw a blue whale. So, you do a good line like this. It's a blue whale, the biggest ever, the biggest thing ever. So do it super big. Straight line. Some flippers, middle-sized flippers, and the eyes. Its tail. And there's a circle here where it blasts water. The pen isn't working. It's smiley fish. I'm thinking of anything else. The stripes. Here you go, and here's your blue whale. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And remember, champions go giant, and I'm already a